Made on this, right? Okay, so today's recipe is the easiest recipe for oxtail sauce. How to prepare an oxtail sauce. So I already washed my oxtail and marinated it. My oxtail have been seasoned and soaking. So this is my oxtail right here. Can you see? My oxtail right there. Yeah. Okay. So on my oxtail, I'm gonna give you the ingredients so you have it. Take a look over here at the ingredients. I have hot pepper, I have onion, tomato, all-purpose Maggi, I have browning, I have oxtail sauce, I have some thyme, some garlic, some ginger, and some green onion, and some bell pepper I have inside there. So if you are doing it in the pressure cooker, you just marinate everything in one, a little bit of oil in the pressure cooker, just a little bit to grease the pot bottom, and then you pour it over inside of it. Okay. If you're gonna do it in a pot on top of the stove as a slow cook, I put all my ingredients in the blender and blend it. After I put the oxtail in the pot, I pour what I blend my green seasoning over it, cover it and leave it there to steam. Steaming it on the stove top, it can take up to 2 hours, an hour and a half slow cooking. So it's nice and good. After I put it in the pressure cooker with everything, then I get my carrot and onion at the end of it because you don't want those to cook out inside of it. And when it 90% finished, I shut the pressure cooker and then add those to it and let it slowly cook. So now I'm going to take it from there and show you. Okay, so I put a little bit of oil in my pot. Make my oil very hot. The easiest, simplest way of making your oxtail sauce. Okay, so I already had my stuff in these. I was just showing you the ingredients as I say. Oxtail seasoned from Grace, oxtail seasoning and browning, and all-purpose seasoning. Okay, so what I do, I have all my seasoning here already. I chopped up all my seasoning. As I say, you can blend out your seasoning. When I do it on the stove top, I blend everything through inside of it. But if I do it in the pressure cooker, if I do it in a cooking pot, my Dutch pot, I blend it out. On the pressure cooker, I don't really blend it out. I just chop them up, put in the pressure cooker, and let them go in. And on the pressure cooker, based on how good is your pressure cooker, you don't need no more than 17 minutes. 17 minutes the most. Some pressure cooker done in between 14 to 17 minutes. Then you turn it off and let your pressure cooker cool very well before you even thinking about opening it. So let's get started over there. Okay, all my flavors inside my oxtail already. Okay. So it's marinating since last night, yesterday. Then all this now is additional green stuff. You have your nice oxtail sauce. Okay. So my ginger and pimento is already over there in that. So now let's get to the pot. I put all this in the oil. This is what I do. Okay, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I have the flavor of this in the oil. For the flavor. Whoa, smell good already. And then here's my oxtail now. I put my fire on max. And now, the amount of seasoning I use, let me tell you. Right here, I have 4 pounds of oxtail. So for the 4 pounds of oxtail, I need to be specific right now. I use 2 tablespoons of Grace browning, 2.5 for this. And I use 4 tablespoons of the oxtail sauce. The all-purpose seasoning, 1 full tablespoon. And my gnaw chicken, I still use, you can use gnaw whatever, gnaw or all-purpose. all-purpose or no, 1 tablespoon and added to it. That's my sauce. That's my season inside there. And then I stir it with a pinch of salt for flavor. Now my seasoning is inside the oil. All the onion and the pepper and the garlic and the tomato. Bring out that aroma in the oil. Then I had my oxtail in it. See? Stir it in very well. Yeah. Okay. Start to smell good already. Yeah, I can smell my ginger. Yeah. So this is what you do now for the pressure cooker. This is what you do now. You leave it there and get your water. The pressure cooker will sweat its own water. So I have to be specific with this one. I have a cup over here, 3/4. This is 1 cup, 2 cups. So I put 2 cups of water in the bowl that I season it in. 2 cups of water and another 1 cup. That's gonna need water to cook it. So you get your nice sauce. Yeah, see, that was 2 cups, this is 1 cup. So that's 3 cups of water. With the 3 cups of water, put it in the pressure cooker and then you close the pressure cooker and let it cook for the 14 to 17 minutes and then you slowly turn your pressure pot off. If you are doing it now in a different pot, say you get in your Dutch pot and you're doing it in your Dutch pot on the stove top, you're gonna need way more than that of water. Because when you lock your pressure cooker, it steam, it finishes quicker, and the water that steam from this help it to cook quick. But if you're doing it in a pot, you have to have a lot more water, more than that in the pot. So after that now, burnt a little bit, stir it again. Yeah. And then now I had my 3 cups of water. Yeah. 3 cups of water added. Then after the 3 cups of water, this is what I do now. I lock it up. After I start making that 17 minutes, then I shut it down and then I come back to you. So while my meat is pressuring, I chopped up some potatoes and some carrots to throw inside of it while it's here pressuring. You can use the broad bean. Some people like oxtail and broad bean. I'm just giving you an easy little recipe. Yeah. So you can use your broad bean or you can use your carrot and potato. So I choose to use carrot and potato today in my oxtail. So after let this pressure for a while, I turn it off, cool it down, add this to it and let this cook for 5 minutes without the pressure cover on it and then turn it off and it's ready to serve. So now I'm gonna shut my pressure cooker down, see? I'm gonna turn the fire off now and leave it to cool. Leave it to cool down. Then I add my little bit of stuff inside of it and let it finish up. Okay, so I let it cool down now. The fire is off. Okay, so now my pressure cooker has been cooled down. Cool down. So I can put my stuff in. This is my little potato, my carrot, another onion, and some bell pepper. Okay. Yeah, that's inside. Some people put their broad bean on it, lima bean. Yeah, this is my oxtail. It's well cooked, soft and nice, just falling off the bone. Okay. See, nice oxtail sauce. So for me, I continue go ahead and I put 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in my sauce. Those are the finishing touch. And I think it would do well with another spoon of the oxtail. See, I told you like you're cooking, it was 4 pounds of oxtail and I did put 4 spoons. So now I put another spoon inside. These are the last little touch up to give it the last little taste you're looking for. Yeah. Okay. So now I just leave that now to simmer. I don't even put the lid back on it. I will not lock it up back for it to pressure anymore. I just leave it there to simmer for another 5 minutes and then it's ready to serve. Just leave it like that. I don't lock it up. Okay. Now my oxtail has finished. Yeah. Nice pot of oxtail sauce. Yeah. How to make your oxtail sauce. That's what your oxtail is supposed to look like. Finish and ready to eat. So now I'm going to make a bowl of it. Yeah. You can eat your oxtail with whatever. See, it's so cooked, just falling off the bone. See? Take a look. Yeah. Nice and easy way of making your oxtail sauce. So now I'm going to make a bowl of it so I can get to eat. Easy. Okay. Let me grab my plate here. And let's grab my stuff over here. Put my pot here. Don't burn. Yeah. That's my oxtail. Looking yummy and ready to eat. See? Yeah. And look at the sauce. Not too watery, not too thick, not a lot of grease. Just the right texture I need. Okay, so I get my rice, put my rice in my bowl over here. I did some rice. Now I have my rice in my bowl. I put my vegetables in. Yeah. Okay. Throw in my vegetables. Set it up nicely. So, in my bowl here, I have my rice, my lettuce, and my cucumber. Rice, lettuce, cucumber, and now it's oxtail time. Yeah. This is looking nice. Tastes good, look good. Okay. Then I have my sauce here I can put over my rice. Nice oxtail sauce. Easy and nice way to prepare oxtail sauce. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a watch now. And subscribe to it. Please and thanks. Okay. And my food is up for share. So if you need to heat some, it's available. Okay. So, thank you all for watching. Hope you learned something from my YouTube video. It's about a learning thing. Yeah. How to prepare your oxtail sauce. Nice and easy way of preparing your oxtail sauce. That's what it looked like. Okay, and the pot of oxtail right there. Please like my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And share it with others so others can learn and enjoy their meal. Thank you. Bye.